everyone, welcome to Babysnow Crypto Princess channel. Are you looking for passive income opportunities, the latest cryptocurrency trends, and hidden gems in the crypto space? Well, you've come to the right place. Here on my channel, we explore everything from blockchain technology to DeFi strategies, staking rewards, play to earn gaming, and much more. But that's not all. I also bring you exclusive updates on my very own project, Trend with Threads. Trend with Threads is a multi-platform initiative that combines social media, NFTs, and the power of Web3 to create exciting earning opportunities for the community. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, my goal is to help you understand crypto, make smart moves, and maximize your earnings. So, if you love crypto, passive income, and financial freedom, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. Join me on this journey to financial independence. Thanks and happy earnings, everyone.